Meet Fusefy, your AI adoption partner. The Fusefy Agent Marketplace lets teams build and deploy custom AI agents for business, pre-vetted for security, compliance, and trust, using our industry-leading trustworthy AI framework. Pick ready-to-use agents or tailor your own, with transparent workflows, explainable decisions, and world-class governance built in from day one.
Welcome to the Fusefy AI Onboarding Agent. Here, you can securely sign in to access your personalized HR onboarding portal. Once signed in, you'll arrive at your personalized onboarding dashboard. To begin, simply review and acknowledge the policy details provided. By accessing your documents, you can continue your process by accepting the acknowledgement. Next, you can explore benefits, expense policies, and personalized company policies tailored just for you. At any point, you can interact with the AI agent to get personalized onboarding assistance. Your journey starts by identifying the priority documents required for your onboarding. You can also review your current document status at a glance, track completion progress, and check submission requirements specific to your region. The system helps you understand the exact details of each document requirement and allows you to accept and proceed smoothly. On your main dashboard, you'll be able to view your overall onboarding progress in one place. If you have any questions or doubts, simply ask the AI agent. To make things easier, the agent also provides recommended options. For example, you may see a suggestion like List Late Submission Approval Process. By clicking it, you'll get detailed guidance on late submission approvals. In the same way, you can easily find out how to access essential systems such as GitHub, Slack, email, and VPN. And finally, you can securely access your company email system through the portal. Begin your personalized onboarding journey with Fusefy AI, simple, guided, and effortless.